This video will show you how to add retention to your contracts in Unify. Unify can be used for retention or advancing claims. Start by going to the Contracts module. Select your project and click into your contract. Go into the Invoice subnav and scroll down to the Claim Adjustments panel. Press the yellow plus icon. Select the type, enter the description, and the amount. If you are holding back funds from each claim, this needs to be a negative number, otherwise Unify will advance funds with each claim. Select the account code it relates to, and press the green Save icon when you are done. When a set amount of money is to be retained with each claim, up to a threshold, Unify can calculate this for you with a derivative adjustment. To do this, press the derivative icon next to the yellow plus icon. Select the type and enter the description. The derivative percentage is the total amount of the retention. From the OF drop-down, you can choose if the derivative percentage is of the original contract value or the adjusted contract value, which is the original contract value plus the total value of approved variations. The per claim percentage field refers to how much retention you will hold per claim until you reach the threshold. This also needs to be a negative number. Select the appropriate code and tax code, then press the green Save icon when you are done. The value applied to each claim will now be calculated automatically. When the retention cap is met, you will need to add a new claim adjustment line, except with a positive value to balance the retention withheld. Then you can create your next progress claim. Thanks for watching this Unify tutorial.